In my deep research with the Savant, I have tried and tested almost every kind of tobacco from 10Gs. Forget about the high-end tobaccos which handle heat very well, like the Revoshi, like Afzal, like 10Gs, like Must-Have, that works flawlessly. But what about tobacco brands which don't work very well with the foil or with not with the foil but with the probos, the HMDs basically? So I have tried Alfakar. Alfakar works very well with the Lotus kind of HMDs. Alfakar doesn't work very good and often it overheats in case of probos. But in a Savant, it works like a charm. Even low quality tobaccos work like a charm. So any tobacco, Savant, can be used in any tobacco. It is that notion is gone actually with the Savant, that certain type of tobaccos can be smoked in certain type of HMDs, certain type of settings, but not with other type of setting. That notion is completely erased, I would say, with the Savant. Put in any kind of tobacco, it will deliver performance. You will get the best of the tobacco, best of the bug. If you cannot afford high-end tobaccos, low-end tobaccos, use a Savant. You will get the best performance, the best out of the particular flavor.